A is for Aleph, it's the start of the show. B is for Ba, now we're ready to go. Ta is next with a great big smile. Learning the letters, let's stay for a while. Ta is for fun, we're learning today. Jim comes next in a very smart way. Ha is happy and Ha is too. We're smart, solely we'll learn it all through. Da and Ta are side by side. Let's sing along, don't try to hide. Ra is rocking and Za comes fast. Learning with smarts only will always last. Sing and Sheen, they come along. We're singing the Arabic alphabet song. Sad and Da, they're really neat. With smarts only, learning's a treat. Ta and Za, the rhythm's so cool. Ein and Gain, let's use them in school. Fa is for fun, Kaf is for quest. Together we're learning, doing our best. Qaf, Lam, Mim, it's almost done. Noon and Ha, we're having so much fun. Wow and Ya, now give a cheer. With smarts only we'll conquer the year.
ألف. أرنب أرنب أرغم هو رابط رابط الرب رابط. بط 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 هي كت ددت بطرق. إقصاحت بالتفاحة دتصاحة غصاحة هي أبو لا أبو تساحة أبو. ففرلب فقفلب ستعلب سلبه فوكس فوكس سلب فوكس. جمالت 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 جمال هو كامل كجمال جمال جمال. ها حسن 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 هو هرس هرس حسن هرس. خروف 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 وشيب شيب خروف شب. دا دجاجة chicken chicken دجاجة chicken. هو wolf wolf را أرنب أرنب رابط رابط. زي زرافة 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 هي جراف شجي جراف زرافة جراف. سمكة سمكة هي فيش فيش سمكة فيش. شمس شمس هي سن شمس السن. صقر هو فالكون بابا فالكون صقر فالكون. دف أوفاق فراق دف أفراق. طاووس هو بيكا بيكا طاووس بيكا. هيك كبير أبي عين عصفور هو برد عصفور برد. غزال هو غزال هو غزل غزل. صفور ففير هو elephant elephant. قطة هي قطة هي كت ليمون هو ليمون. موز هو بنانا موز بنانا. نمر هو تايجر نمر تايجر. حتى وردة هي فلاور فلاور وردة فلاور. يا
Assalamu alaikum, I am Ali.
And I am Misha. Let's learn and subscribe to be smart. Hello, my friends, come sing with me. Let's learn Arabic happily. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning new words is such a treat. Marhaban means hello. Wave your hands and say it slow. Marhaban, marhaban, come and play. We will learn some words today. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Ummi is my mother dear. Abi is my father near. Ahi is my brother too. Uhti is my sister. Woo! At the bait we laugh and play. Happy words we learn each day. Open up the bab so wide. Look outside with joy and pride. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Ma is water when I drink. Halib is milk, so nice I think. Tufaha is apple red. Khubz is bread that we are fed. If I'm hungry I say let's cool. Yummy food can fill me full. If I'm thirsty ishrib now. Take a sip and smile somehow. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Kitab is a book to read. Aqualam is what I need. At madrasa every day we learn and grow in a happy way. Malim teaches with a smile. Talib learns all the while. Read and write and look around. Lovely words are all around. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Kitta is a little cat. Kalb is a dog. Imagine that. Tear is a bird up in the sky. Flying with the clouds so high. Shams is the sun so bright. Kamar is the moon at night. Zahra is a flower too. Pretty colors just for you. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. When we say shukran, we are kind. Good manners shine and feel so nice. Then say afwan with a grin. Friendly words make joy begin. We said hello, we learned a lot. So many words that we have got. Come again and sing with me. Arabic is fun, you see. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. La 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 la. Say. Ooh, what's that tapping? Look! I've got to go round and round. Let's learn Arabic today. Tajim ha, go round and round. Round and round, round and round. Tajim ha, go round and round. Learning is so fun. Kadal go round and round. Round and round, round and round. Kadal go round and round. Say them loud with me. Raz they sing, go round and round. Round and round. and numbers we learned today. Let's sing again, hooray! أنا طفل صغير. I am a little child. أبدأ يومي بالنور. I start my day with light. أفتح عيني بفرح. I open my eyes with joy. وأقول صباح الخير. And I say good morning. صباح الخير يا أبي. Good morning my صباح الخير يا أبي. My father. صباح الخير يا شمسي. Good morning my sun. يا يومي الجميل هيا. ألعب أضحك أجري. I play, I laugh, I run. أنا طفل صغير. I am a little child. أبدأ يومي بالنور. I start my day with light. أفتح عيني بفرح. I open my eyes with joy. وأقول صباح الخير. And I say good morning. صباح الخير يا أبي. Good morning my صباح الخير يا أبي. My father. صباح الخير يا شمسي. Good morning my sun. يا يومي الجميل هيا. ألعب أضحك أجري. I play, I laugh, I run.
Hello, my friends, come and say, let's learn Arabic words today. We already know our ABC. Now let's talk, you and me. Assalamu alaikum, hello. Wa alaikum assalam, say it slow. Marhaban, marhaban. Hi, hi, hi. Let's all wave and say it loud. Don't be shy. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Is me? No. That is me. Ma is Mukaf. What's your name? Tell me. Ana Talib. I'm a student, hooray. Let's learn and I read every day. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Clap your hands and move your feet. Learning Arabic is super sweet. Na'am, that means yes, here. La la la, no we guess. Shukran, thank you, nice and kind. Afwan, you're welcome, keep that in mind. I'm Farid. Shukran. Sit. Jif. Stand upright. Say it loud and clear. Arabic words are fun to hear. Jump up high and spin around. Arabic joy is all around. We said hello.